In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image black and white using Canva. Whether you're looking to add a classic touch to your photos or need a grayscale image for a specific project, converting an image to black and white with Canva is straightforward and quick. First, let's head over to canva.com. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and click the login button, which you can find in the upper right corner of the page. Canva provides several convenient ways to log in. You can use your Google account, your Facebook credentials, or simply enter your email. Choose the method that works best for you. Once you've logged in, you'll want to either open a new design or select an existing one that you want to work on. This can be done from the home page, where you see all your previous works, or by creating a new design using the templates provided by Canva. After you've set up your design workspace, the next step is to select the image you wish to convert to black and white. Click on the image and you'll notice it becomes highlighted with a purple outline, indicating that it is now selected and ready for editing. With your image selected, you'll see a toolbar either above or below the image. Look for the option labeled Edit Image. Clicking this will open the image editing panel on the left side of your screen, unveiling various tools and options for you. Now we'll be focusing on the Filters section to apply our black and white effect. Click on See All within the Filters section. Here you'll find a variety of filters to choose from, but for a quick conversion, you'll want to select Grayscale or Street. These options will instantly transform your image into black and white. If you want to tweak the appearance of your new grayscale image, Canva provides a handy slider to adjust the filter's intensity. This allows you to fine-tune how much of the original image contrasts against the grayscale conversion. Play around with this slider until you're satisfied with how your image looks. When everything looks perfect, your last step is to download your newly edited grayscale image. Look for the download button, often represented by an icon that looks like a downward arrow, situated at the top right of your screen. Clicking this will give you options for file formats such as PNG or JPG. Select your preferred format and your image will be saved to your computer, ready for use in any project you have in mind. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to convert a color image to black and white using Canva, all in just a few easy steps. Enjoy experimenting with your new images and feel free to explore the other creative tools Canva offers.